Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix different desktop size on Wix website. So, if your Wix website looks different or unoptimized on different desktop screen sizes, here's how you can fix the issue and ensure that your site is responsive across various devices. So first of all, enable mobile and desktop responsiveness. In your Wix editor, click on the desktop icon in the top of the editor to ensure that you are working on desktop view. Also, you should check if Wix automatic responsiveness is enabled because Wix typically adjusts the layout to fit different screen sizes, but sometimes you may need to make a manual adjustment. So make sure you switch to mobile view and fit the content that is not configured properly in the Wix desktop editor. Now, you can adjust the layout for different screen sizes. So resize elements like images, text boxes and buttons to fit the screen on larger or a smaller desktop. Click on any element and drag or resize it, or you can also adjust the width, height in the properties panel on the right side. If certain elements are overlapping or appear too large or small, adjust their position and dimensions to make sure they look good across different screen sizes. Now, if you're using Wix stretch feature, select the section or element you want to resize, enable the stretch option in the settings or layout option, and this will allow the element to stretch across the entire screen, making it more flexible. Ensure that the elements like headers and footers are stretched to full width so that they adjust automatically to the screen sizes. Also, test your layout on multiple screen sizes. So, use the screen size controls to test how your website appears on different resolutions and devices between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. You can make adjustment to elements if needed by switching back to the editor. Also, you can adjust column and grid layout. So, if your site uses a grid or column based layout, ensure that it is set to be responsive. For each grid or column, adjusting the widths, gaps and alignments of elements to ensure they display properly on larger and smaller screens. You can also use the wrap option for columns, ensuring content flows neatly as the screen size changes. You can use the Wix grid layout. So the grid layout feature can help make your site content responsive across various screen sizes. You can use the grid layout for sections that need to adapt to different screen resolutions because Wix auto layout helps arrange content dynamically based on screen sizes. Now, you can also make elements hidden for specific breakpoints. You can check your fonts and spacing are properly configured by navigating to Wix editor, and you can optimize large images for various screens by using Wix image optimization tool and ensuring that the images you upload are tiny and high resolution images. Preview and test on real devices, and by following these steps, you can effectively fix the layout and display issues for different desktop sizes on your Wix website. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.